I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you've been waiting on a package that is late, getting a refund from FedEx can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check the delivery date. Look up the original delivery date for your package. If it is past that date and hasn't arrived, you may be eligible for a refund. Step 2. Review the FedEx money-back guarantee. Familiarize yourself with FedEx's money-back guarantee policy. This policy outlines the conditions under which you can request a refund for late deliveries. Step 3. Gather required information. Collect all necessary information, including your tracking number, shipment details, and proof of payment. This will help streamline the refund process. Step 4. Submit your refund requests. Visit the FedEx website and navigate to the Request a Refund section. Fill out the online form with your details and submit it. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email for updates. If you don't hear back within a few days, consider contacting FedEx customer service for assistance. Remember, sometimes delays can happen due to weather or other unforeseen circumstances, so it is good to be patient. Good luck with your refund, and I hope your next package arrives on time.